Hi, my name is Tom Olson. I'm the Opal at the National Weather Service Springfield office in Missouri. And today I'm going to cover the Engineering Handbook 10 Co-op D 111D Note 5 modification, which is the Fisher-Porter version D, as in Delta, backup battery replacement. So some of the tools and test equipment required is the Phillips screwdriver size 0, 1, and 2, or 2, a slotted screwdriver 1/8 or 3/16 inch with long shaft length, masking tape, test leads with small alligator clips on each end, and that's optional. If you can't get it out, use those little alligator clips, and an ESD ground strap, which is here. It goes on your wrist, and it's plugged in or connected to the ground for the Fisher-Porter right here. So if you've determined that the backup battery needs replacement, these are the steps you will follow. So first is to perform a regular download of the precipitation data prior to replacing the backup battery. So everyone knows how to do that, so I'm not going to show you that on this video. The next step is A2.1 is the backup current station settings, and download the entire log to a memory card. So with the keypad display illuminated, insert the memory card. And once that goes in, you'll observe the display on there. Will indicate it has recognized the search on memory card. Now scroll to the down arrow button and select the right to set up to card, and then press set. It's going to show you that, and that's the setup save to card, and that's your station number with the text at .txt. So now we're going to scroll up, and we're going to go to download card to set download log to card set downloads. So once we got to that, press the set button. So then we're at that point, and then at the select download type prompt, scroll to the down arrow, and we're going to do the whole log. Once you've got that set, push the set. And it's going to take a while here, so while we're waiting for that, we'll continue on with what the next step is, and that will be in another video after this one is completed. So once that's gone through and downloaded the whole log, you'll verify the display reads download completed with the station number, the year, the month, and the date. Should be the current date that this was completed. So once that's done, you'll eject the memory card out of the Fisher-Porter. So you push that out. All right. Thank you for watching, and on my next video we'll cover replacing the backup battery, and that is in section A.2.2.